His name is Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and that's about all the introduction you need from us to describe this cinematic chameleon. Hello guys, welcome to Filmanter, and for today's list, we'll be taking a look at the 5 best big screen performances by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Please note that the list will be based on his film appearances only, therefore as much as we wanted to add him, Ganesh Gaitonde won't be included.
जाके देख रिकॉर्ड में कौन है, इंसान है कि भगवान.
And before we begin, please subscribe to Filmanter and press the bell icon to never miss an update. With that out of the way, this is Amir, and here are 5 best characters played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Number 5, Sheikh in The Lunchbox. We'll start off on a relatively lighter note because trust us, this list is gonna get dark soon. The Lunchbox was a beautifully subtle love story that featured 3 everyday people who were dealing with some sort of emptiness within. Siddiqui was casted as Sheikh in the movie, who starts his on-the-job training with the soon-to-be-retired Sajan played by Irfan Khan. While the movie revolved around Sajan's interactions with Ela through letters in a lunchbox, it was Sheikh who stole our hearts with his overtly optimistic approach to things despite there being decades of pent-up loneliness within him. Sheikh would sport a big smile on his face as he would try to engage in random small talk with his colleagues, but you could see right through that smile at all times, and as an audience, that's what hurts the most. Not the feeling Sheikh was going throughout the film, but the fact that he wasn't doing a very good job in hiding what he thought were his weaknesses in front of the others.
चक्कर मेरी तरफ से सर कोई भी नहीं है, अकेला हूँ मैं. तो मैं ये सोचा था कि अगर आप मेरे सरपरस्त बन जाते शादी के लिए, मतलब गार्जियन बन जाते तो मैं और इला मैडम भी आ जाती तो.
Number 4, Dayashankar Kapoor aka DK in Mom.
मेरा नाम दयाशंकर कपूर है, but you can call me DK in short. I'm a detective, जासूस.
Mom is a perfect example of a seemingly familiar plot that becomes 10 times better due to the top-notch performances by its main cast, including Sridevi, Akshay Khanna, Pakistani artist Adnan Siddiqui, and of course, Nawazuddin himself. Nawaz played the role of a private detective in the film who takes it upon himself to help Devki avenge her daughter's rape when the system fails in getting her justice. While Sridevi's Devki was a true symbol of perseverance and valor in the film, it was actually Siddiqui who ended up becoming the soul of Mom. Apart from how the character was physically crafted with a partially bald scalp and teeth that resulted in a uniquely thick accent, Siddiqui's grasp on DK was so flawless that you could actually see the actor having fun with the role. DK was a normal, law-fearing citizen, but that wasn't enough to get him to break his confidentiality commitments as a private detective. And of course, there were those hilarious one-liners that added a few much-needed breaks in an otherwise continuously heating up drama. And if for nothing else, it was delightful to see Siddiqui share screen with the late Sridevi for the first and sadly last time in Mom.
भगवान हर जगह नहीं होता है डीके जी.
पता है, इसीलिए तो उसने माँ बनाई है.
Number 3, Dashrath Manjhi in Manjhi the Mountain Man. What happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object? That's exactly what this 2015 biographical tries to explore, as Manjhi, played by Siddiqui, sets on a crazy quest to literally break down a mountain which took his wife away from him. Watch Manjhi if you haven't already, just to witness the absolute godlike willpower stemming from a low-caste, physically unintimidating mill worker who fights everything ranging from drought to a snake dung to worsening health in his quest to overcome the antagonists of his perfect life.
हम पागल हैं, पागल. ये सही गलत क्या पूछ रहे हो हमसे? दुनिया भर की गंदगी परखे ठेका उठा रखा हमने, हैं?
Even though the plot sounds ridiculous on paper and something we in our right minds cannot get behind if we see someone doing this in reality, Siddiqui's grounded and emotional grasp on Manjhi really made us root for him in his impossible journey, which is the same reason why his low moments in particular had as much of an impact on us as they did. Dashrath Manjhi's story is the ultimate example of willpower that can move mountains, and Siddiqui was right at home with his portrayal of the immensely inspiring figurehead.
एक का से का बना दे, कुछ भुला नहीं चाहते, यही एगो दिक्कत है। हम फिल्म से घुस गई हमारी खोपड़िया में, कभी भी कहीं से शुरू हो जाते, चल पड़ता, आगे पीछे पीछे आगे, नाचता रहता।
Number 2. Saadat Hasan Manto in Manto. In life, we see two types of people. First are the type who close their eyes on the negativity surrounding them and pretend that these things never existed, and the second who do something to change it. And then there was Saadat Hasan Manto, a real-life writer during the partition period who was known to unapologetically amplify the gruesome ground-level realities in his stories, but was in a state of internal struggle so big to ever really do anything about it.
सवाल यह है कि जो चीज जैसी है उसे वैसे ही पेश क्यों ना किया गया। मैं वही लिखता हूं जो जानता हूं, जो देखता हूं।
Not only was Manto charged multiple times for obscenity in his most controversial stories, but was also dealing with his own consciousness that was haunting him in his last few years after migrating to Pakistan. Dealing with declining health, alcohol consumption, financial crisis, lawsuits, racial prejudice, and even hallucinations, Manto's subtle descent into madness was on full display in this 2018 biographical drama, and Siddiqui was phenomenal as the troubled yet defiant protagonist. We're sure that the sheer perfection with which the actor balanced the external and the internal narratives in his performance simultaneously will go down as one of the most popular artistic case studies for aspiring film students in the future.
Dal of the Pakistan and Hindustan and Manto.
And number 1, Shiv Gajra in Kick. Just kidding. Of course it's bloody Faizal Khan and Gangs of Wasseypur. What else did you expect? Faizal Khan is not only the best character Siddiqui has played in his career so far, but will go down as one of the greatest characters in the history of Indian cinema, period. A story about generational rivalry between 3 crime families in Wasseypur and the greater Dhanbad area set during the independence time, Gangs of Wasseypur follows the Khan family particularly, starting off with Shahid Khan, an opportunist who tries seizing the coal mine business but falls victim to the enemy, his son Sardar Khan, who is driven by revenge yet falls victim to betrayal by his own people, his eldest son Danish Khan, who reluctantly takes over his father's legacy but is in no way on the same level, and finally his younger brother Faizal Khan, who ends up becoming the most feared person in Wasseypur's history. Siddiqui seamlessly submerges in his most violent character in this film, a character he mentions was inspired by a blend of experiences from his own past, Anurag Kashyap's vision of a godfather-like persona, and Nawaz's understanding of the powerful ones in his own village. If you haven't already, watch Gangs of Wasseypur now and you'll understand what the hype is actually about.
बाप का, दादा का, भाई का, सबका बदला लेकर तेरा फैजल.
And there you have it, guys. 5 best Nawazuddin Siddiqui performances. This was not an easy list. Did we miss any of your favorites? Let us know in the comments down below.
कराची से अंदरूनी मुल्क लोग अपनों में ईद मनाने के लिए आ रहे, अरे यार ये फिर आगे भाई दोस्त निकलो ना, एक बार गाड़ी निकल जाएगी यार. कराची से अंदरूनी मुल्क, अरे क्या कर रहा है, रोक लेना यार, भाई दोस्त निकल, गाड़ी निकल जाएगी.
Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to support Filmentor. That's very important as it not only helps us grow, but keeps us motivated to make more such content. And if you're still not convinced, you'll have to walk over Nawazuddin Siddiqui before exiting out without subscribing.
शर्म नहीं आई? हैं? शर्म नहीं आई तुझे?
With that out of the way, have a safe week ahead. This is Amir and I will see you soon.